Hello guys, and welcome to Financial Focus. In today's video, I'll show you how to build wealth in your 20s. I'll break it down step by step so you can take actionable steps toward financial success. Let's dive in. The first step to financial success is gaining knowledge. Start by reading books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Follow blogs like NerdWallet or The Motley Fool and tune into podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show or afford anything to learn about budgeting, investing, and risk management. For example, understanding compound interest can be life-changing. Imagine investing $200 a month starting at age 25 in an index fund with a 7% annual return. By age 65, you'll have over $480,000. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial health. Use apps like Mint or Enab. You need a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas to cut back, like dining out or in used subscriptions. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. If that seems daunting, start smaller. For example, if you earn $3,000 monthly, begin by saving $150 and increase over time as you adjust. Life can throw curveballs, and an emergency fund is your safety net. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. For instance, if your monthly expenses are $2,000, save $6,000 to $12,000. This fund will cover unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs without plunging you into debt. Time is your best friend when investing. Start early and take advantage of compound interest. Contribute to a 401k, especially if your employer offers a match. That's free money. Also, open an IRA, traditional or Roth, for tax advantages. Focus on low-cost investments like index funds or ETFs. For example, the S&P 500 has historically provided about 10% annual returns. Investing just $50 monthly can yield substantial long-term growth. Relying on one income source is risky. Explore side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, or selling products online. Platforms like Upwork and Etsy can help you monetize your skills. For example, if you're a graphic designer, offer freelance services or create digital templates for sale. Earning even $500 extra per month can accelerate your financial goals. Debt with high interest, like credit cards, can cripple your finances. Use methods like the snowball, smallest debts first, or avalanche, highest interest first, to pay it off efficiently. For example, $10,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest costs $2,000 annually. Eliminating this frees up money for savings and investments. Your network can impact your net worth. Surround yourself with ambitious, like-minded individuals. Attend networking events and stay active on LinkedIn. For instance, a mentor in your industry could provide valuable advice or connect you to career or investment opportunities you hadn't considered. Invest in yourself to boost your earning potential. Pursue certifications, workshops, or advanced education. Don't hesitate to negotiate salaries and benefits. For example, negotiating a $65,000 salary instead of $60,000 adds up significantly over time. Use tools like Glassdoor to research and prepare. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Instead of upgrading to a more expensive car or apartment, save or invest the difference. For instance, if you get a $5,000 raise, allocate $3,000 to investments and $2,000 for personal enjoyment. This balance helps you grow wealth while enjoying life. Insurance safeguards your financial stability. Ensure you have adequate health, auto, and renters or homeowners insurance. If you have dependents, consider life insurance. Review policies annually to ensure they fit your needs. For instance, pairing a high-deductible health plan with a health savings account, HSA, can save money and offer tax benefits. By following these steps, you'll build a strong financial foundation and achieve your goals. Remember, consistency and discipline are key. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more financial tips, and I'll see you in the next video.